In our last video, we explored the amazing world of antibodies, the custom-made tags produced by B cells. But what about the threats that hide inside your own cells, where antibodies can't reach? Today, we meet the elite operatives designed for that exact mission. We're going behind the scenes with T cells, the commanders and assassins of your immune army. While antibodies get most of the attention, there's an even more sophisticated branch of your immune system operating behind the scenes. These are the elite operatives that don't just tag invaders, they command the battle and eliminate infected cells directly. Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. I'm Dr. AB, and today we're meeting the special forces of your immune army, T cells. All T cells train in a special organ called the thymus, located behind your breastbone. Think of it as the west point of your immune system. Here, immature T cells learn the most crucial lesson: how to distinguish between your body's own cells and foreign invaders. Those that fail this test are eliminated to prevent autoimmune attacks. Once graduated, T cells specialize. The first type are helper T cells, the strategic commanders. They don't fight directly, but coordinate the entire immune response. When they detect an invasion, they release chemical signals called cytokines that activate B cells to make antibodies, call in macrophages, and direct other immune troops. The second type are killer T cells, the elite assassins. Their mission? Identify and eliminate your own cells that have been hijacked by viruses or become cancerous. They patrol the body, checking every cell's ID card. If a cell shows signs of infection, the killer T cell delivers a lethal signal, forcing it to self-destruct. There's a third crucial type: regulatory T cells. These are the peacekeepers that prevent friendly fire. After the battle is won, they signal ceasefire to prevent your immune system from attacking your own healthy tissues. Without them, we'd suffer from constant autoimmune attacks. But how do T cells know what to attack? Other cells act as intelligence agents. When a cell is infected, it displays pieces of the invader on its surface, like holding up a wanted poster. Specialized antigen-presenting cells also gather intelligence and present it to T cells in lymph nodes, the immune system's briefing rooms. After the battle, some T cells become memory T cells. These veterans remain in your body for years, even decades, remembering every enemy they've encountered. If the same pathogen returns, they mount a lightning-fast response. This is why vaccines provide long-lasting protection. They create these memory veterans. T cells are crucial because they combat enemies that hide inside cells, where antibodies can't reach. Viruses and cancer cells are their primary targets. This is why T cell research is so important for new cancer immunotherapies and HIV treatments. So to recap, helper T cells command the army, killer T cells eliminate infected cells, regulatory T cells prevent friendly fire, and memory T cells provide lifelong protection. Together, they form an intelligence-driven special forces unit that works in perfect harmony with your antibody system. The next time you fight off an infection, remember the sophisticated T cell operatives working behind the scenes. If you enjoyed this mission into your immune system, subscribe to the Health Sketchpad and share this video. Understanding your body is the first step to protecting it.